Hi everyone! Tara samahan niyo akong kumain ng kamoting kahoy. Or in our words, agikway. And aside from agikway, meron tayo ditong nilagang saging na saba. In Tagalog, it's saba, but in our dialect or the way we pronounce it, it's saba. This kamoting kahoy is good alternative of rice kasi source din ito ng carbohydrates. Kung pagbabisihan natin ang food pyramid, nasa pinaka-top siya ng pyramid, which is go. Go food ito. Nagbibigay siya ng energy sa atin dahil ang carbohydrates is source of energy. Ito yung gagawin mong agahan. It's also good. Kasi nga, katumbas niya yung isang rice. We're done with the agikway. Let's come now to our saging na saba. Or saging na saba. Ayan, nilaga siya and of course, ganun yan. Ang saging naman ay magandang source of potassium. Pero wala, sa liwat. Nakla.